Welcome. If you're here, you've already taken the first step, the step most people skip: pausing. This is the 7-day Digital to Addiction series, a gentle, practical, and soul-supportive journey designed to help you take back control of your attention and come home to yourself. You can use this series in the morning, before the noise, before the notifications, to center yourself in clarity and choice. Or use it in the middle of your day, when your mind feels scattered, your eyes glazed over, your energy drained by scrolling or multitasking. These are the moments when you need to come back to breath, back to body, back to what's real. Each of the 7 sessions focuses on one core theme. Day 1, awareness, observe your patterns with compassion. Day 2, pause, break the autopilot loop. Day 3, breathe, reset your nervous system. Day 4, move, awaken the body again. Day 5, create, shift from consuming to expressing. Day 6, connect, reclaim real presence. Day 7, rebuild, design a digital life that aligns with you. Each session is about 7 to 12 minutes, perfect for your morning ritual or a mindful break in your day. You don't need apps, timers, or discipline. Just presence and a willingness to begin. With each day, you may begin to feel less digital overwhelm, fewer unconscious scrolls, more ease in your breath, more clarity in your thoughts, and deeper connection with your body, others, and the moment. This isn't just a digital detox. It's a path back to yourself. So, whether this is your first pause of the day or a much-needed reset halfway through, take a breath. Right here. Right now. And remember, you are not your feed. You are not your screen. You are presence, energy, and choice. Let's begin your 7-day journey to clear your mind, reclaim your time, and reconnect with life beyond the screen.